In this video we will be replacing the battery from a Volvo key fob. This key design is similar in several 2003 to 2014 Volvo vehicles. The only tool that is needed for this task is a flathead screwdriver. We will also need a CR2032 battery. I have included a link below for the battery. The first step is to release the mechanical key. In the slot for the mechanical key there is a small area that has a small release tab. Using the tip of a small screwdriver, push the small tab to release the battery cover. Once the cover is loose, using the screwdriver remove the cover. Next remove the battery. The battery is CR2032. Get a fresh battery and push it into the slot. The positive side of the battery should be on top. Next put the cover back and press it till the small tab locks itself in place. This is how simple and easy it is to replace the batteries on your Volvo key fob. Thanks for watching.